Hello, good morning everyone. I was reading about League Hunt, so I thought let's share with everybody. So, as you all know, League Hunt was an English poet, and he was also a critic, essayist, and writer, right? So, he was the central figure of Romantic movement in England, right? So he was, in a way, very much inspired by Romanticism. And other important point which we must know about is that he inspired aspects of the Harold Skimpole character in Dickens' novel Bleak House. So you know very well, Bleak House was the novel written by Charles Dickens. So he inspired the aspect of Harold Skimpole, right? And then what else is very much important, that he co-founded this what we say newspaper, okay, that is your the Examiner. So Examiner is very much important in relation to League Hunt. Then what else is important, that in Examiner he wrote number of essays under the title The Round Table. So in total there were 52 essays, right? 12 essays were written by Hunt and 40 essays were written by Hazlitt, right? Then he also edited one more magazine, that is The Reflector. So other one was the earlier that we discussed was The Examiner, then other one is The Reflector. Then which I found is important, that he has written a work, The Feast of the Poets. So Feast of the Poets is written by Leigh Hunt, and in this particular work he offended many contemporary poets. So in a way this is I found it important. Then he also educated The Indicator. So we have The Editor, The Reflector, then The Indicator, right? Then other important work which he has written is The Story of Rimini. Okay, so this is based on the tragic episode of Francesca da Rimini told in Dante Inferno, right? So this is the story of Rimini. Then he has written one more collection of poems known as Foliage. Then he has written Hero and Leander. ठीक है, सो लीग हंट याद रखने के लिए HL, उल्टा नाम HL. H stands for hero, L stands for Leander. Then Bacchus and Ariadne, right? Then he has published a book named as Poetical Works. So in this work, the poetical works contain his most important work, that is The Story of Rimini, and the other one is The Descent of Liberty, right? Then he is famous for forming a group which is known as Hunt Circle or Cockney School, right? So it includes your, first of all, League Hunt, then John Keats, then William Hazlitt, Shelley, Charles Lamb, Brian Proctor, John Hamilton Reynolds, Walter Colson, C.W. Dilke and Charles Corden Clark. ठीक है, so C क्यों भी याद रखो, ठीक है? C से you have Charles Lamb, C से you have C.W. Dilke, and then Charles Corden Clark. So Dilke was the friend of Keats, so Keats will also be again there. Then some popular poems are very much important is Jenny Kissed Me. Okay, so the original title was Rondeau, and it was inspired by Jane Welsh, the wife of Thomas Carlyle. Okay, so the poem name is the Jenny Kissed Me. Then other important work is Abo Ben Adam. Okay, so this is the title refers to a Sufi saint named as Ibrahim bin Adam, right? So this is also a very beautiful poem. And then other work is Night Rain in Summer. After that he has written Lord Byron and his contemporaries. He has also wrote London Journal, then Monthly Repository, right? So Tory Blackwood magazine called him the meanest, the filthiest and the most vulgar of Cockney poetasters. So this is the important point which everybody should know. So I think that's all about Leigh Hunt, which is the most important one. I hope you like this video. It's just like I had a thought that I must share it with you because exam is approaching. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.